In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your bank account for Cash App. So Cash App is a full service banking and investing app. If we come to the money screen, you can see that you have a cash balance, savings, Bitcoin, stocks, paychecks, pretty much anything that your bank account includes. You can also get a card where you can spend your cash balance and get discounts at a bunch of different places, along with the core feature peer-to-peer payments. So when you sign up for Cash App or use Cash App, you usually have a bank account connected, so you can send money back and forth from your cash balance here over to your bank account or from your bank account to your cash balance. For example, you can see I have $148 in my Cash App balance. I'll cash this out to my bank account. Let's do $100 cash out standard, and that should be there by Wednesday. $100 will be available in your bank account Wednesday. So that's an example of why you want a bank account connected to Cash App. So if you need to add one or change one, here's what you need to do. Tap on the icon in the top right corner. Then you can scroll down and go to linked banks. From here, it will show your linked accounts. You can see I have a linked debit card and a linked bank. I can link another credit card by tapping the button on the bottom, but to edit my bank account, I need to tap on it. And then right here, you'll see remove this bank or replace this bank. So if I want to switch to another connected bank, I would just tap replace bank here and go through the process. From there, your bank will automatically instantly be connected and you'll be good to go. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, found it helpful. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.